Psychosocial development. Ethnic identity includes both political and religious identities. Gender identity can be hard for someone to acknowledge and be proud of. Nowadays, it is becoming more accepted and therefore easier for people. Vocational identity is critical for emerging adults because of the acquisition of various resources for lifelong success. These resources include education, skills, and experience. Close family and friends are essential due to the amount of support that they offer to the emerging adult. When it comes to finding a partner, many emerging adults turn to social media and matchmaking sites to find a partner. Cohabitation is becoming more common and is not proven to contribute to increased happiness or stability. Biosocial development. Bodies are in their prime, muscles grow, and bones are strengthening, and bodies are changing. Great concern for appearance, which contributes to elevated sex drive. The sexual reproductive system is at its most efficient during emerging adulthood. This contributes to an increased number of sexually transmitted infections. During emerging adulthood, the level of emotional stress is extremely elevated. This is correlated with amount of sexual activity during this period. Other mental disorders caused by various stressors include depressive, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Drug abuse taking risks are both increased during this developmental stage. Cognitive development. The stage approach describes a new shift in the characteristics of thought. The psychometric approach analyzes intelligence longitudinally via various tests. The information processing approach studies neurological encoding, storage, and retrieval. The post-formal thought is the fifth step in cognitive development and is a type of logical, adaptive, and problem-solving way of thinking. From adolescence to adulthood, people are less likely to attend religious services, but are more likely to see themselves as having religious convictions. Many researchers believe that conflicting demands in daily life produce a neocognitive perspective. Research shows that college graduates are wealthier and happier than other adults.